In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Steam currency. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's two different ways to do this. And also changing your currency in Steam isn't something you can freely toggle in Windows. So Valve basically locks it to your region to prevent abuse. So the first way is to make a purchase in your new region. So say I'm in Australia, or I am, and if I go to New Zealand, Canada, or any other region, just make a purchase in that country, and then from there you should see your currency change. So for me, it'll be at the moment it's just a $20, that's Australian. Now if I go to Canada or New Zealand, that's going to be New Zealand dollars or Canadian dollars, because I'm making a purchase in that country and my IP has changed. So like I said, it is region and IP locked. Now another way what we can do is download a VPN, and then so we want to close out of Steam completely, go ahead and download a VPN or a free VPN, sign up, toggle your new country. So if you want to see your currency in say US dollars, change your region to US and then go back to Steam and then make a purchase or test the purchase, and you're going to see your currency changed to where your region is at.